guys, Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things mundane and makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, I'm bringing you my June update for the project Panopoly. So if you want to see all the progress we've made on the products that we've been working on, I have almost a full refresh. Let's get into it. This was created by Jami at the Impulsive Panner, who will be listed down below, as well as all the pertinent details, what I'm wearing, everything you'll find down there. This is a game board inspired project, Monopoly. And you use dice to travel around the board. Do what the prompt you land on says. It is not that complicated or difficult. You start with 5 prompts and it is rolling style from there, and I plan to end this in December of this year. We shall see if there are new boards or things like that. I might go further, but as of right now, I just plan to end this at the end of the year. So, for wheel 5, we were working on a lip product for 5 times use, and I had brought in this Bare Minerals, what are you actually called? The Dewy Lip Gloss Balm, and it was in the shade Friendship, which is this brown. Now, I have this in Soul, which is like a mauve-y pink. Love it. Bought this one from Marshall's because I love that one so much. I got that one in Ipsy. This one tastes horrible. Horrible, terrible, no good, very bad, awful. I used it 3 times, which got me, just as you can see, just a little bit of use, the tiniest bit of use. And I decided on the 13th of April that I am decluttering this. So, she gone. No good, very bad, can't do it, so sorry. But that is a declutter, which is a goal met. Then for wheel 3, which was your least used, which I have a whole bucket of brand new items to me, so those are all my least used. And we got rolled ice, and that was a 2 times use. So I pulled in my Morphe Over Ice. It's the Dreamlight Gelée highlighter in the shade Over Ice, which is this like white gold shade. I still don't know how I feel about this. It was fine. I don't really feel like it did much. I got my 2 uses on the 13th of April. This is gonna roll back into my eligibility for my whole collection project pan because I need to figure out whether or not this is something I need in my collection. But for this project, it is a goal met and a roll out. Then we had wheel 4, which was a cream product for 5 times use. So I brought in the Wet n Wild Cream, the Fluffy bronzer, the Mother Fluffa bronzer in Beige Please, which I don't know how close I am to hitting jar, but because I was about to drop it. I use my finger to dig into here and put it on the face that way and then blend it out. And I really like it because my brush, this guy, does not fit in the pot. And I don't want to use a different brush. I actually bought a brush to use with this, and then that brush didn't work either. So now I use my finger and blend it out that way. So I got my 5-use goal on the 17th of April. This is a goal met and a rolled out. We're going to talk about all of our goal mets, and then we'll talk about our 1 remaining product. For wheel 4, that was blush, and I got a 5-use goal. So I rolled in the CoverGirl Skin Enhancer Baked Blush in Rose Latte. I had the bronzer from this line in a different project, so I was like, I might as well bring in the blush to work on. This is gorgeous and beautiful. I much prefer the bronzer. I just think it's better, but the blush is really pretty. I think I just want a different color of the blush. I think this is a little subtle, but it's a very pretty blush, and I do really enjoy it, and I'll be very happy to get more use on it when the time comes, because I believe that shade is also eligible for my whole collection project pan still. I don't know, but I digress. that is where we are. And our one and only, and I met my goal on that on the 26th of April. And our only other roll over, which is not a goal met, is from Wheel 3, and that was your most used in any category for a 20 use goal. So I pulled in my love+craft+beauty eyeliner, which this is where we're at. She could use a sharpen, but I think I can get one more use. It's in my waterline today. I think I could get one more use out of this guy before I actually need to sharpen it. But I've gotten 5 uses out of it so far in April. Well, for April, I got 5 uses out of it. We're in May now because I filmed this in May. And I haven't used it at all in May. To be fair, I have 4 eyeliners now in projects in rotation, and this just is the least exciting eyeliner. So this hasn't gotten any use in May. It will get use in May, but it hasn't yet. And I'm filming this early, like I do with all my projects. So it's fine. I wasn't going to get 15 uses on it in May either. So 'tis another reason I was like, you can just film this and get this put out. So we're rolling in 4 prompts. So I'm going to scooch on over. We are going to screen record and get it on going. So we're going to roll our dice. We got an 11. So that is where we're starting from. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Choose your own wheel. Well, now I'm going to have to look at the wheels. Not that wheel. Wheel 2 could be a good contender. Not that wheel. Not that wheel. Not that wheel. Not that. Wheel 2. We're going to do... So, choose wheel, wheel 2, spin. We got primer. Okay. And then let's go to random use. Spin the wheel. Choose your use. Okay. We're going to say that that was roll dice, and we're going to do a 7 times use. My Lanta. So we got a 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Roll the dice. So I believe that's whatever the purple die is that's the wheel. Roll the dice. Yeah, purple die. So that's wheel 5. Roll dice. Wheel 5. So let's see. Spin. Lip. Okay, and random use. 10 times use. Okie dokie. Then we got a 7. We're moving past jail, which is nice. Choose your wheel again. So I'm going to go down to wheel 6. Choose wheel. Wheel 6. Because I haven't gotten that wheel yet. Franken. So I would assume I either need to use a Franken product or Franken something. I actually have a couple Franken products, so we're going to do a spin the wheel. 20 times use goal. Okie dokie. And last but not least, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Choose your own wheel again. This is wild. So I think I'm gonna go with, we're gonna go with, do I want wheel 3 or wheel 4? We're gonna do wheel 4. Great. Powder. How many uses? So we're gonna do roll dice because I'm not choosing my own use because I just don't want to make decisions. 3 times use. Cool. Let me just double check Franken. If you live on blah 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 blah. Franken a product and use 5 times. Create your custom mix of any beauty product. Okay, well, I got 20 times use, but I have Franken products. Because I'm not making another Franken. I have my own Frankens. So, let me go find all those products and I will be right back. Okay, I have my 4 products. My one might be a little bit of a stretch, but like, here we go. For Wheel 2 Primer for 7 times use, I'm bringing in my Huda Beauty Easy Blur. And I don't even know if this has 7 uses left in it. She is down to here. All the way down to here. So, I don't think that's even going to get 7 uses. That might get 2. But, this is the primer. I have 2 other primers in my drawer already. I'm not bringing in that other primer because I'm trying to finish this one too. So, this is not in a project. I want to finish this primer. So, it's 7 uses or finishing it. So, there is that. Then we had the Wheel 5, which was a lip product. I'm bringing in this Maybelline, what are you? Color Sensational Matte Lipstick in the shade More Sepia. It looks like this. It's just a nude brown. The nude brown that I'm wearing, I have 1 more use on. So I figured, why not? And I just got this in a giveaway. So I don't know how I feel about it. So why not? 10 times use. Then we had Franken, and that's for Wheel 6, and technically you're only supposed to use your Franken 5 times, but I rolled and got 20 times use. But I'm fine with that, because this is as close to a Franken as I got, and it's a depot. And I got 20 times use, and it's a highlighter, and I'm okay with that. So this is from Eyeliner and it's their highlighter in La Extra. It's from the Viva Las Chicas palette in Fair to Light. I decluttered the 2 blushes from that palette, but I wanted to keep this highlighter because, as you can see, she's stunningly gorgeous. So I depotted it into this container, and that is as close to a Franken as I have, and I'm not going to specifically Franken something for this project. I know, like, that's kind of the whole point of the challenge wheel is to do what it tells you to do, so like I should Franken something, but I don't even know what I would Franken because that's just not, I'm not that kind of panner. I don't Franken products, so this is like the closest I have to that, and I hope that that's okay with you. Sorry. And then we had Wheel 4, which is powder for a 3 times use. If I can get it open. And I'm bringing in my current finishing powder. This is the Ofra Pure Matte Finishing Powder, and I have the shade Fair. I feel like we can almost see rings of the pan. I use this every day. It's fine. I wouldn't repurchase this. I got this in an Ipsy, but it is matte. Very, very matte. And for fair, I feel like it is, like, it doesn't look dark there because that's a heavy swatch, but on the face, I feel like it is just a touch dark. So, but 3 uses will be super easy. I'm going to get that literally in 3 days of use. So that's not going to be a problem. That will be a rollout for July for sure. The primer will be a rollout for July because that'll be finished. The lip might be. And then it'll be these 2 guys sticking around to see if they're going to be rollouts. So we'll have at least 3 rollouts for July. Well, 2 rollouts for sure, but I'm thinking I can get 10 uses on the lipstick by July's update as well, because it's just a nude lipstick. So that is going to do it for my June update for the project. I hope you guys enjoyed. It wasn't too terribly difficult. Like I said, I hope you don't mind my little caveat for my Franken product. So very, very sorry. I could have re-rolled, but to me that's a Franken because it's not in its original packaging, which, like, it's just a depot, but, like, in my whole brain, that's still Frankening something because it's not, this is not its intended medium. So, I don't know. Do with that what you will, but I'm going to get 20 uses on that highlighter and call it a day for that product, for that prompt. So that is going to do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.